Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to blur a part of a video in Capcut PC. Like if I want or if you want to blur a specific part of a video in Capcut. So first you have to import and drag that video right here. Now the next thing you should do is to duplicate or copy and paste this video again. So it's either you copy and paste or you have to drag another video on the top. So let's just say we're going to blur that person at the back. So again, you have to copy and paste the video. Let me do it. Copy, right click, paste. So we have two videos right here. So we're going to focus on the second video or the video that we have copy and paste. Now go to Effects, look for Blur, search for that blur effect, and then you have to download it first. After you download it, you have to drag that blur and put it inside the video. So it must be inside the video. So as you can see, the second video has this blur effect, but we just want to blur a specific part of a video. So tap the video, go to the video section above, look for mask, and then click that specific shape that you want, for example circle, because we want to blur the face of this person at the back right here. So all you have to do is to drag that and place that to the specific area. So if you want to blur the person's face, if you want to blur a specific object right here, the object is up to you. So as you can see, this is how you blur a part or a specific part of a video here in CapCut. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.